One of my favorite stories from the Quran comes from Surah Yasin. It is a short story, but it carries a powerful message for all of humanity. Allah tells us about a man who came running from the farthest part of the city. He rushed to warn his people and said, "O my people, follow the messengers. Follow those who ask no reward from you, for they are rightly guided." Then he said something beautiful and sincere. "And why should I not worship the one who created me, and to whom all of you will return?" These verses touch the heart. For me, they summarize the entire deen of Islam. The message is simple: worship Allah, follow the truth, and stay sincere. Islam itself is not difficult. But many times, people make it complicated. We become worried about fitting into society, about trends, about what others may think. Yet the Quran reminds us that guidance is simple for the one who is sincere. The man in Surah Yasin did not seek status, wealth, or praise. He only wanted his people to follow the truth and return to their Creator. And that is the beauty of Islam, a simple path leading back to Allah.